Good afternoon, everyone. This is Grizzly from Team Bull. I want to take a minute to give you the rationale on the trades we took today. But first, I want to say those of you who stick around, you're going to get to see my first trade, which was on Tesla, a really fast scalp. You're going to get to see it live. And if you like this sort of content, be sure to give me a thumbs up because that really helps me out, and subscribe to my channel. If you'd like to have a free stock to watch each morning, go follow me on Twitter. I'll give you my level to watch with what options I will be trading pre-market. Now let's get into this. First trade was on Tesla, ticker TSLA. I said I'm going to take Tesla long 720 for 725 call options. I did end up using 730 call options. I just liked them a little bit better. I like the price better. Now let's get into this. This is a 1 minute chart. This is the opening candle. It did exactly what I wanted it to do. I got filled with using market. I bought market, pushed up. This trade was over within seconds. I made $475 off this trade. Had good volume. This is exactly what you're looking for that opening scalp trade. Now let's talk about BABA. Not a whole lot to talk about. I didn't take a big position size in this. As you can see right here, I said I'm going to take BABA short 193.8 for 193 put options. You can see here it did exactly what I wanted it to do. Nice quick scalp. It was great for smaller accounts, and it was good for beginners because it really didn't move that quick. And you had time to take profits. Get in, take your profits. Worked out nice. It wasn't a huge gainer, but it did put it. Got the job done. Now, when I make my levels, the support and resistance levels that I pick for my watch list, I'm looking for that real big, quick move when it breaks. That's what most scalpers are looking for. If it continues on, great. But I'm really looking for that big move when it breaks these levels. Anyways, let's get on to the next trade, which was on AMD. Now, I had two entries today. One I announced, which was the first one. And I did get stopped out on this, but let me go into details about it just a little bit. It was coming up. We had a good volume, and I entered. I think it was on this candle when it was about to break. It kind of had a false breakout, and it kind of played around with this level. We come down. I about stopped out, but I said I'm gonna get low. I had a decent sized position on this. We got back up here. I lowered my position size quite a bit. Then I ended up stopping out for a small loss, and that's just how I manage my trades. If it had hit my stop loss, I would have took it. But like I said, I lowered my position size. That way, when I did get stopped out, that it wouldn't have been for as much. Now, I did re-enter. Let's look at the 5 minute chart. I was right about this. It was a little more risky. This is why I didn't announce this. Kind of formed like a cup and handle on the 5 minute here. But, AMD has done this for the last week or so. Kind of dipped down and then climbed back up. And I seen this climbing back up. I said, I'm going to take a position. I took a decent sized position. I stayed in it. I had more patience than I usually do. It did exactly what I wanted it to do. As you can see, the high day right here, 114.8. You cannot ask for no better than that. The best day I've had in a while trading. That pretty much sums up our trade. Stick around and watch the trade on Tesla live. Thank you. Well, I took that Tesla just